Hello beautiful viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to read and understand an investment white paper. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial video helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat, which is built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's dive in. First off, what is a white paper? A white paper is a summary of a crypto project. It includes stuff like the project's purpose, its design, the team behind it, how it's funded, and its roadmap. I'll be analyzing BNB's white paper, which is also known as Binance Coin. Guys, if you can't find a white paper on a crypto project's website or documentation, chances are you'll find it on a website called bitscreener.com, because that's where I just downloaded the Binance Coin's white paper. So guys, to read and understand an investment white paper, you first need to know the features of a good white paper. I mean, the vital things you need to look for in a good white paper. So the first thing you need to look out for is whether it has a clear problem statement, how the problem solves a real world problem, how it differs from its competitors. Then look out for the project's goals and objectives. Ask yourself whether they are achievable. The third thing to look for is the tokenomics, which shows how the token will be used, its supply and distribution. The fourth is to look for the team and partnerships, know the team members and whether the project has any notable partnerships. And then the fifth feature to look for is the roadmap, which shows a clear timeline for development and milestones. Also check whether risk and challenges are acknowledged and addressed. And also check for clarity and transparency. Check out if the white paper is easy to understand, guys. So guys, looking at BNB's white paper, let's click on downloads right here. So let's open it. You could clearly see all the key points I mentioned, right? I talked about the statement, problem, and the solutions. Look at it right here. Here are the problems and how the BNB team intend to solve that. I spoke about the technology and it's also right here. I talked about the team and also allocation. Here is the allocation right here. Yes, here's the allocation, which I mentioned as one of the points to look out for. And also I talked about the funding, right? Here is it, funds usage, and also the team. Here are the team and their various LinkedIn profiles. And about clarity and transparency, you could see that the white paper is clear and simple. I mean, even a 4-year-old could get this. It's very, very easy. I mean, if a white paper is blowing big grammar, you just assign it a red flag and just move on. So guys, these are the key things to look out for in a white paper. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. This brings us to the end of the video. Feel free to drop your questions or comments in the comment section. And don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button for more educative content. Bye. See you in our next